This is the Safe Step Stool guy again. Today we're in Las Vegas at the NBAA convention for aircraft. And we're going to take a look at a safe step stool for an airplane. So ideally what we're trying to do on the aircraft steps that fold out from the airplane is to cut the distance down up to that first step. This step is a heavy-duty step stool. It's got handholds and rubber pads on the bottom to keep it from sliding on the ground. This step is also rated for 500 pounds, which makes it very safe for any size passenger exiting. Okay. So this step makes it very easy, even in high heels, to step down off an aircraft safely and easily. This is the Safe Step Stool guy. We'll see you next time.